Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So today we will be doing science experiments. Wow, so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so in this experiment we will be making a balloon inflate by itself. A balloon inflate by itself. Whoa, how? Okay, so let's just do it. Wait, there's just a little bit of water. Yes. Okay, so first you need vinegar. Ooh, I got vinegar on my hand. Okay, then place the vinegar inside the bottle. Just squeeze it all out. Yes. Yep, that's enough vinegar. Then add water. Oh. I think a cup will do. Half a cup, maybe just a cup. I think I'll just use a cup. No, I don't want to get too much. And then you open this. And you... Oh wait, I forgot to place the... Okay, just open it. Wait, how do I open this? Okay. I think oh no. I don't know how to do it. Oh no. How do I do it? How am I gonna do it? Okay. I guess I'll just put it like this. Oh. This is fine. Okay, Dad, I think that's enough. Now you stretch it. Do this. Whoa! Look at it inflated. Whoa! Whoa! It's an explosion. Look at it. So big. Look, it inflated. Yay! We did it. Okay. So this is the balloon experiment. See, it's still fizzing under here. Oh, look at that, the baking soda. Okay, so don't use too much water, guys, because I accidentally used too much water, I think. Okay, and you might need help putting in the baking soda, or it will be messy like this. Okay, so we'll hop right on to the next experiment, where I will be making the lava lamp, but I will be using the Indonesian language or bahasa Indonesia. So see you in the next experiment.